Hi, this tutorial will show you how to download apps. I'm going to show you two ways. The first way will be from the App Store and the other way will be off the internet. So you should see an App Store icon right here. So if I click on that, it'll open up the App Store. And if it's not clicked, go ahead and click Categories at the bottom, and then it'll give you all these options. I'm going to go to Education. And then you can kind of scroll through. I'm going to scroll through what's hot. Typically there's lots of free ones there. And if I find one I like, I'm going to go ahead and install app. Now it's going to ask for a password. The password is actually located right up here. So go ahead and type that in. It is case sensitive, by the way. And then once you type it in and hit OK, it should start loading down here. Another way of doing it that I actually prefer is if you open up the internet, and if you go to uen.org/apps4edu, then this will open up. I also search for UEN apps for edu, and it'll normally come up as one of the first hits. So if you're here, you can actually have different categories and it's easily searched. So I can find the device I'm looking for. I'm going to go with iPad. Cost, which is a really nice feature. I'm going to only search for those that are free. And then what else is nice is I can go to categories, so I can look for ebooks or anything like that. I can go to grade levels, so I can go with kindergarten or first grade. And then core curriculum areas, I can go with, let's just go with early childhood. And then let's scroll through, and then let's go with math and language arts. And then I'm going to hit search. So now it has all these apps that are free that I can use. So I'm just going to download this one. Then it will take me to the App Store, and I hit install. And you'll see that it's installing there. It may or may not ask you to enter the password again, and again the password is right up here on the iPad. So once it's downloaded, you'll see our other one has been downloaded, so I can open that up. And then start playing.